Go for it. We're live, baby. All right. Much to do. Much to do. Oh, she's zooming. Makuku is zooming. Yeet on the first level up? Yeah, that should be illegal. I think that should literally be illegal. But it's like hacking. It's like hacking. Okay, actually, that was the second. Yeah. No hacks. No hacks. Say something?
That's
Yep.
must remember to turn on the mic. It was on.
It helps. It helps. Sorry, what were you saying?
The itch banner is the one that needs the space in the middle.
Yes. That's right. Is that the one that's like 12 something by
Yes.
720?
Yes.
Yup.
How do I translate all this lovely stuff? It's not easy, you know.
What just happened? I did die. I can turn off the weird item list in the corner now. That's cool. That's cool.
You can't?
Can. Because there's the other interface.
Yeah. Cool.
Because now you can just check them out. I love the new zomb. Looks pretty awesome.
No. I still wish we could have added a couple more, but yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if we have time tomorrow, but yeah.
Maybe. Did you have others you wanted to do?
I started drawing like a nerd,
Nurse.
but quite there yet.
Alright. No more playing the video game. No more, no more, no more. Let's go to the HUD and let's turn off the items debug.
Going to the hub.
I mean, I can even delete that.
Even delete
Tronics, hello, hello. Good afternoon. I forgot to mention yesterday that I wasn't paying enough attention to the change from the portal to the safe zone. I ran around for a good while before figuring that out.
Is that the card? Is that the yeet?
I wasn't paying enough attention to the change from the portal to the safe zone. I'm not sure I understand. Can you try and word that in some other way?
You're opening the door for Maka.
Good day. Hope you're all well. Thank you, Hollow. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
How's it going?
Thanks for stopping by.
We're doing great. We're feeling good about the jam right now.
Yeah.
Earlier on, watching your work, I thought I was waiting some time for the portal to take the saved people, regardless of where I was. When you say the portal, do you mean like from the card? From the yeet card? Or do you mean just the blue circle? Doing decent? Worried?
What's got you worried?
Didn't the people just drop through ground portal early on? I didn't remember the blue circle. The blue circle is the normal safe zone that you have to bring them to. The green little portal that they drop through is a special item that you can get, like one of the cards, one of the rare cards that basically like teleports them to the safe zone without you having to take them there. That's the part I didn't understand. Gotcha. Yeah.
You got some art assets. Had to scrap a few ideas. Yeah, I mean that's like the nature of the jam, isn't it? Like you've got all these ideas and things you want to put down, but like there's just never enough time. Like no matter how many hours you put into it, like there's always more. And I feel like we've got that as well. Even though I'm really proud of how far we've gotten. I think there's still like so much that really wanted to achieve. It's just like there's just not enough time.
Yeah, we had a bunch of ideas. Chat did a bunch of great suggestions. There's a big list. My little notebook here, but you know, it is what it is. Cutscenes though, that sounds scary. I don't think we've ever done a cutscene.
No,
ever.
We haven't braved
Yeah.
a cutscene yet. But I mean, yeah, I mean we only added the game over thing like last night, like all that stuff that we got in this just the splash for the start screen, everything. It's just we're like a team of two, so it helps that I'm drawing all the assets for you.
Yeah, and from since yesterday, last night after the stream, I finally added the item screen. I feel like maybe it was you, Tronics, that suggested. I mentioned we definitely needed that. And now you get it on the side here, like a little preview on the last couple ones that you've gotten. And then if you hit tab, you get the full list, and you can, like, if it gets big enough, you can scroll and whatnot, which is pretty cool. It wasn't you? All right. But yeah, now mid-run you can reference the items. Which is pretty good. Right, so what are we doing today? I think I'm going to start with showing the health, like the hearts above the player when you get hit, so that you don't constantly have to pay attention to the HUD, and understand that you're about to die. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I still don't even have a game over thing yet. Oof. Yeah, I mean, we added that one not that long ago. It didn't help on my side. I didn't have internet. Oh, no. 2 or 3 days? Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, it's just not having internet. Oh, it's such
Yeah.
a pain, isn't it? I hate it when that happens.
Yeah, that's gonna slow you down for
Yeah.
sure. Are you inside?
Cat is inside. Can confirm.
All right, so let's get to it. Let's head over to the player. Tronics, how did balancing feel in general when you gave it a try yesterday? I think we chatted about it when we were all playing through it, but yeah, I feel like for me it's still. Yeah, you think it's quite good? Okay. I feel like it might be a little, just a smidge too easy, but like definitely at the latest stages, like 10-minute mark or something, it hits you with some waves. Ramped up, yeah. That's definitely the goal, right? We want people to like get their bearings and kind of enjoy it before the pain arrives. But we definitely want the pain to arrive.
It is an apocalypse after all, right? So, you know, can't be too easy. Can't come out unscathed.
Okay. Why is this funky?
So, a zombie.
So,
Whoa.
let's make ourselves a canvas layer, which will be the health indicator, let's call it. And then inside here, we're going to have a B box, no, H box container. How did I do it on the HUD? I'm thinking. So I added all of them. And then I just replace them. Okay. Sure. Do that. We're gonna have a texture rect. Let's give it rect. I believe it's in UI. Here we go. Let's feel that. I need to.
Silly me.
Goes like over here. Then we want 2, 3, 4, 5. Want that to sit in the middle. Okay. The player is the one that, yeah, that has the health information. So how does the HUD know about it? Forget, even though it's hasn't been that long. The game manager. Okay.
There you
go. Let's a new script. Yeah, health indicator. Yep. And we're going to connect to the health changed.
Whoa.
We need the update hearts. Well. Then we need a art container. Then we need the textures. The full art texture. And empty heart texture. Can give him those. In theory, that will give us. That should have given us. Why is that not visible? Oh. Is it because I'm supposed to? What?
What? What? Oh. My bad.
Why is that not visible? It's sitting behind stuff.
Wow, wow.
I'm a little confused.
I think that's gonna look so good once I got that up and running. Because I feel like, yeah, you're right. Even when I do, like, hear the ugh, and I like, you know, you get hit, you know, you got hit. It's still nice to kind of like get a quick sense check of like, all right, like, is this just like I just got hit once and like only a flesh wound, or like, oh crap, like got one life left and I'm dead kind of situation, you know? Appreciate that.
I not have it in a. Like I can't have it in a canvas layer for some reason. That sounds not real.
What?
What if I have a control and then that sits in there and then that sits in there? Does that make a difference? I don't know why that's going invisible.
Are you in Struggle City right now?
little bit. Um, is it anything to do with the script? No. It just doesn't like it. I don't know. Don't really understand why that is the case. Can I cheat this by saying that can just sit on a Z of 10?
So what's not working?
I was trying to make it so that the heart indicators like overlaid all the sprites and stuff. Which I thought I could do with a canvas layer, but
Apparently not.
maybe a canvas layer can't sit in a non-UI node. That's okay. Just kind of cheat our way here. We just need to make sure it never shows on top of other UI stuff, like the items and upgrade selection, things like that.
And you can test that just to make sure it doesn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. That'll do. That'll do. So I'm going to remove the script from here, and I'm going to add it here. And I'm going to load the same one. I'm going to load that. Then we're going to extend VBox container instead. And then when we go back here, we reference itself, remove that. Fine. Okay. So the HUD, how does the HUD get updated on start playing? Yeah, that's how. Do that as well.
Do you think this is enough space? Sorry. For the little play button? It's not gonna block anything critical.
I'm thinking it might be less of a blocking things and more of a is it definitely clear? Like,
I think that'll be
will the eyes not be drawn to it because there's like green next to it and such? That's my thinking, but you can export that and we'll upload it and we'll check it out.
Yeah, I mean,
before you commit.
There will be green anyway next to it.
Yes, I know.
Or do you mean like making that bit smaller? We can always make
yeah, I meant like the graffiti bit a bit smaller.
Yeah, we could totally do that.
Just so there's not a lot of green right next to the button, so it's still like you see it immediately. So if we do that, when we start it, we should see everything update. No, it explodes.
It exploded.
Oh, I gave it a V-box when it's an H-box. I always do that. I don't know why. There we go. Now there's nothing. That's weird. Yeah, yeah.
On full screen.
Now it has fully disappeared.
That's not good. You don't want that. This guy needs some legs.
So I'm running update hearts. If I don't run it, it's fine. If I run it, it breaks because it's clearing everything. It clears everything, and then we're doing health and max health. Oh. So let's see what that looks like. 33. Oh, I know. I forgot to give it the textures again. That's gonna sort that. There we go. So almost there. Just need to make sure that it's center aligned. So if these two go, it's everything's still centered. It'll scale properly. There we go.
Wow, wow.
We can also make it so that the separation is less. I like that. Okay. And now we got to make the logic to like only show it when your health changes, whether that be an increase or a decrease. You would want to show the indicator. So on ready, we're going to immediately hide it. We're just going to go hide. Then when the player health changes, we're going to update the hearts. We're going to animate. Let's call it animate in. That to try and follow the pattern. And this will reveal the indicator we're going to show. Another thing we're going to do real quick is we're going to change the rotation / scaling pivot. Oh, can I not do that? Oh, please tell me I can do that. That sucks.
Sorry.
Sucks.
There we go. It's got an. Ooh, that looks.
Why would that be the case, though?
You know when you draw something and then it just looks wrong. No.
That is so strange.
Not bad.
Oh. I guess that worked. Never mind. That'll do. So first we're going to make the node visible. Then we're going to animate it. So we're going to make a tween. Then let me find another one that I've made. Yeah, and it's gonna be something like that. Gonna be doing self. So we're gonna scale. First, we're gonna set the scale to be. And we can try 0. See how that feels, I suppose. First, we're gonna get current scale equals scale.
Now we can move on.
So we're gonna scale slightly past it. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how that looks. So what we did is immediately we hide the health indicator. And then when the player health changes, we're gonna animate it in. Let's see. There we go. That was nice. That was a nice little...
Oh, that looks sick.
That's a nice little juicy pop. Right?
Oh, well done. You did that quick.
Do that again. Yeah, quite like that. I like that.
That's pretty neat.
Wieners.
Wieners.
They rule.
Let's go.
Queen your stuff.
Wieners.
Then what we want to do is tween it like you mean it. Yeah, exactly. What up, Fubar? Good to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Good to see you. Yeah, well.
We're just tweening some stuff.
It's crunch time, right?
Yeah.
We can see the finish line now. We're so close.
Yeah. I really hope we can finish today with with like a final build candidate, right? And then it's just playtesting, bug fixing. But is that gonna happen? Probably not. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
So optimistic. I love it.
So after we animate it in, we can just create a timer. Let's call that maybe 1.5 seconds. And then on timeout, we're going to animate out.
Animate out.
And that's going to be a very similar function. Very similar. Where I think we just scale to 0, period. Why create a lambda to call method? Good point. No reason at all. Stupidity, I suppose, if you really want the actual answer.
Panic. last minute panic.
There was no reason. No, yeah, no reason. Just brain doing brain things.
Oh shit.
What? What is she destroying?
Nothing happened.
We're going HD on the
no,
Arcam.
It's fine. You can't see nothing. I hit undo, so now you can't see what happened. It's fine.
We'll get her next time.
You weren't paying attention.
No need for supplication? I'm just kidding around. All good. All good.
We're jamming.
We're jamming.
Right? We're jamming.
True. Clip it.
Clip it.
Okay. So we just do... Yeah, we just scale to 0. That's it.
That's it? That's simple?
We just... Let's do ease in out.
Symbols.
And then we're going to await the end of that queen. And then we're going to hide it. See.
Yeah.
Queen callback. Right, so just call the hide. Yeah, can do that too. So I'm gonna get hit. Okay. Was that too fast? Wait. Why did it... What? Okay. Why did the second one...
The second one didn't trigger, right? Yeah.
It like popped up and then immediately disappeared.
Yeah, it just said, thanks but no thanks.
I mean, I think it was definitely too fast. So let's bump it to 2. The create timer 1 shot. Yeah, create timer. I'm pretty sure they're always 1 shots.
Bump it up.
Yeah, 1 shot. Is it? It actually calling animate out like immediately? So we do this. 2 seconds. Goes away. Cool. And then... Oh, I know.
He knows it.
Yeah, I can't store the current scale here. I want to store initial scale. And the reason behind this, the sole purpose of this is so that English initial is so that if you play around with the scale on the editor, it's not going to mess up your animations. That's the only reason there. That should fix it. Go do a little bounce in, 2 seconds out, and then here we go. Let's see if I like stay on the attack. Yeah, that's a problem. That is a problem. May I offer another little fast visual juice idea? Go for it. So
We're all about that juice.
the problem was that this one hadn't finished yet. Yeah. In the rescue zone scale in a loop. Yeah. Like give him like a pulse. Yeah, that would certainly draw attention to it. I like that. Yeah. Let's do that in 1 sec. Okay. So the problem here is the... We need to stop this timer if the timer is running, and the player gets hit again. We're going to do that. Can I not do that? Oh, right. Do if timer dot kill. I'm probably gonna need a proper timer, because these timers don't have the same functionality. Godot extension server thing isn't working. Okay. Yeah, let's just make it a timer. That's fine. So we're gonna do timer dot new, timer dot one shot equals true, timer dot wait time equals 2.0. Going to add child timer, and we're going to time out. True fact, the more you wiggle with the mouse, the faster things load. Yeah. Oh, I need to start the thing. That would help.
Whoa, Trello, relax.
So if there's a timer, I kind of want to wait. If I just queue free it, yeah, there's no need to stop it. Just queue free it. So if we try it again, just nice.
Very good.
I think that'll do. That'll do.
Tick off the list.
Yep.
Nice. I've done your itch banner.
Added player health indicator. Got the banner?
Yeah. So now I just need to do the capsule.
Yeah, capsule.
Yeah.
I should test something else. Let's go over to the game manager. We're gonna turn on level up hacks. We're gonna see if we can find ourselves the health item. So first up, I'm just gonna get hit. Okay. There it is. So now the indicator should change from 3 hearts to 5 hearts. Nice.
Huge.
Oh yeah, Fubar, last night we also added the item.
Oh. Okay.
cat's in background. False advertisement.
I can do something
Yeah,
about
there
that.
she is. On our cat tree.
Oh my god, she almost killed me. Where's her treats?
Eileen's gonna bribe her to be on camera, looks like. Yeah, so I think there's one thing left to do on this screen specifically, and that's invert the item array so that the latest card is on top, right? Because when you open it,
Maka.
I think I want it like from most recent to last, because you'd probably be looking at the stuff you recently added, I think. So I'm probably gonna change that. Ooh.
Yum, right? Come. Yeah, come.
Reverse. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I thought about that, or having the scroll container go like load scrolled all the way down, but I think that's less intuitive.
All you gotta do is jump on the table. Come on. You do it all the time, cat. She has suddenly lost the ability to jump. She's looking at the tree like she's reaching for it, but she's not jumping. Come on. Look, it's here. Look, I have so many of them.
Just grab her.
Okay, fine.
Treats. She's too excited. She doesn't know how physics works anymore. Come on, I need a health indicator game, please. But not an indicator, a pack. Herding cats. Yep. Oh, that's cool. Fura, how long have you been Godotting? Because you got the obscure knowledge in there. Sometime, yeah. There we go. You got cats in foreground. Do I need to add that tag?
Paw? Give me paw. 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 There you go. Yeah. Paw. Yeah. Good job.
Where are my health packs, man?
Ow, no claws. I think it's I tried to teach her how to high five, but it ended up I think it's more like her just reaching for the treat at this point rather than the high five. Cause after like two times it comes with claws. Alright, okay. Yes, good.
Okay, health indicator. 8. And our suggestion, extraction area.
Oh, I'm sorry, I dropped it.
The sprite that we're using for the extraction areas is called debug sprite. So obviously that wasn't final. It is now.
Okay, that's enough, Cook. No more treats. That was your treat allowance for the day. No, I don't have nothing. Maybe don't show your butt to the camera. There you go. I love how she always looks for more. Just in case.
That thing again.
Oh, you're so cute, Maka. Yeah, even if there's a single one left, she will sniff it out. Cute. Very cute. Very, very cute.
I don't... That's not what I want to do. This is dumb. I can just do initial scale times 0.1. Nature abhors linearity. I want the easing. Sort that out. What's one I can use? Cubic. Cubic won't go past it. That should be all right. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking the easing would still like make it not look awful, but yeah, you're probably right. Only bounce and elastic or overshoot. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want the overshoot. So I want to do that. Then I want to tween back to initial scale. I mean, this is probably way too fast. And then we need to do tween set loops at -1. Without arguments. Hybrid XYZ, what's up?
Hey, what's
Game
up?
jamming? Hell yeah, we're jamming.
We are.
Jamming. Tomorrow is submission day. Ah! We got a list. We got a little list to go through. Celine is doing the assets for the itch page.
I am. I do be doing that.
Yeah. Doing good. Doing good. Thanks for
going.
stopping by.
Yeah. Yeah, the itch page has got to look good, so we're just
Itch page is
trying to
important.
Trying to make these little.
Whoa!
Whoa! That's very
That's
cool.
that's a vibe right there. I think that's exactly what Fubar meant, so we're gonna leave it like that. Yep.
You sure about that?
Yep.
Yeah? Ship it.
Yes, please. Nice. What the hell is what I'm thinking. You know what I mean?
What the?
So like this here, this changes the scale. Yeah. Okay. Interesting.
Right.
Clamp. So oh, this is not what I meant to do. I meant to do 0.9, right? They're different values, but it's a vector. Right? That's probably not what you meant. Like, why did it go round, though? That's what I'm thinking. It's changing. The hell? Well, I wanted to go between 0.9 and 1.0. That was my thinking. So, like, it gets slightly smaller than it's supposed to be, and then returns it to what it is. But you go to 5? 0.5 is the duration. Yeah. Let me just try this just to see if there's any weirdness. Nope. Initial scale. Initial scale is 1-1. Oh, because I'm being a potato.
Classic potato behavior.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, that's way too aggressive. So I was getting the scale from the area 2D and not the sprite. Not the sprite.
Round of applause.
Uh-huh. So can I do the thing where it's not linear? Ooh, that does look nice. But it is, I think, too much and too fast. We want like very faint. Hey, I'm chilling over here. Come bring the nerds.
I kind of liked it, but yeah, maybe it needed to be a bit more chill.
Let's do 1.5. And then let's go up. Let's go see what that does.
Womp womp.
I don't know that I like. Let me try without this real quick. Wait, I don't think you can ease without a transition. No. Let me try linear. I know. Let me just try.
Sometimes you just gotta try to double check that you're wrong.
Yeah. I mean, is that better? I didn't like how it was stopping after each thing. That one like feels more like a just like a
Pulsating.
UI pulsing rather than like it's alive pulsing, you know? I don't know if that makes any sense. It does in my brain. To ease out only. And touch this.
It's just such a fun card.
Ease out. Oh yeah. That made it a little less jarring. Something became a little less jarring. Yeah, I like that. Let's not. I think that works.
Yeah.
Little juicy juice, but we gotta move on.
You gotta go through the list.
Yeah, this was not on the list.
You're getting sidetracked.
Added area, pulse, juice. Okay, it's done.
Derailment.
Okay, we got a big one. We got a big one coming. We got rescue animation.
Ah, yeah, I think that'll be good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Rescue animation.
Snacks. We don't have snacks. We've consumed our snacks.
I'm very full right now. So we got our human. And we're gonna have to make him do some things. What? Godot, you're tripping. Get out of here. Go away. You're lying. I think it's lying.
I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to like move something out of the artboard without it cropping it, like in a destructive way.
What do you mean? Like if you drag it, it disappears?
Yeah, so like look, see this guy, like if I drag him here, like do something else, and then I want to like, oh, I want to move him back in.
Right, that doesn't exist anymore.
I don't know if
can you freely alter the size of the canvas?
Yeah, but I need to know the size. Like.
But is it easy to like, as in like, could you make it all around bigger and then bring it back? That's what I was thinking. Right. Or is that weird? It will cause issues.
It's basically the same amount of time that I would spend just being careful. Because then I have to like expand it and create like a box so that I actually know what size I'm moving stuff into. Seems more fine than just being a little bit careful. I can always just draw it again. It's not.
So what is the plan with the capsule? Should we do just like massive dock and then a single zombie bottom right? I think the dock wants to be like featuring, you know?
Yeah, I got you.
So do you think you'll have everything as ready as you'd expect in time for the jam?
I want to say like 80% of what we wanted.
Yeah. Will we have everything? No. That's like the answer, but we're feeling pretty good because some of the stuff we wanted to do were probably was probably too aspirational. Like we wanted to add a lot more like little different zombies and people. We wanted it to be a fair bit of variety. We're probably not going to be able to do that. We wanted to spend a lot more time with the map. Like,
Yeah, like
I
fully
can,
decking out the map. Like I drew so many like little like bushes and flowers and like
yeah,
little trees, trees in different colors.
yeah. You
Yeah.
see here,
Oh,
oh,
you can't. I'm blocking the
you
view.
know, we have some trees in the lake and some bushes and stuff, and then just the grass tile. But if we go look at what Celine made, I'll not make this big. Or I can just do that. You can see we had flowers and leaves and grass and different trees.
A
Like
mysterious puddle.
there was these things to like make the road not be as thing. You know, we can still add a lot of this tomorrow because you know it's just like little. You know, it won't impact the code, so I'm not afraid of just adding stuff and pushing it. But yeah, definitely wanted the map to be a lot prettier than it is currently. We wanted to do like a death or like a lose animation where the doc gets turned into a zombie.
Yeah.
Again, we'll see. We might get to that. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Because I thought it'd be so cool if like when you lose, like you just see yourself turn into a zombie and just kind of like or like go with the horde for like a couple seconds and you're just like, ah, shit. But yeah.
Power-ups was in the list. Like,
oh, the power-ups. Yeah.
yeah, I don't know if it would be a specific card that you get, but it'd be like little power-ups that maybe give you a speed boost or make the cure spread super fast, you know, things like that.
Yeah.
That would have been really cool. This is a throwback. The original
original
sketch from day one.
That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it had like a whole like truck like that veered off to the side, kind of. You wanted to make me draw a tank.
I wanted a tank. She didn't give me a tank.
No tanks.
I will get my tank one day.
I struggled enough with the one ambulance.
One day.
Yeah.
Okay, little humans. What are we gonna do with these little humans?
Little human. Little bebes.
So the idea with the rescue animation is that when they collide with the extraction area or the rescue area, they'll continue to run into the safe area. They won't just pop out of existence, and then it'll show a little indicator above them, like saying rescued. That's the idea. So, currently, the extraction area doesn't know where the door or whatever is. So we need to tell it that. And then I guess that might be another area on its own, because then the human needs to know like when they reach it. So For me, like, my brain is kind of going to that, like that being the easiest solution. So like you'd have another collision shape, which would be a circle, and then that would just live wherever the door is. So if we go back to the level, we have this extraction zone. So then, like, I could put this here, and that's where the nerds run to poof. That's the thinking. That is the thinking. And I think that'll work. I think that'll work out. I'm just going to make it bigger. Save that. And this one, for example, would live there. So the extraction, we'll call this despawn area. So we grab our despawn area there. Why did that not save? Weird. And then back on the human, we have extraction detector area, and it just calls extract, which, yeah, just oofs. Dave's Gone is getting an upgrade. Visual, at least. No visual changes. We are making it so that the humans don't get snapped on rescue. They actually run out into the building. That's the plan.
Right. I mean, originally, I think I thought I wanted to do like a whole like graffiti on the ground look for the
Oh
stage
yeah,
setting
yeah,
and
we did
everything,
have a, yeah, we did have that plan.
we had a little bit of a
Post jam.
post jam.
Let me look at that capsule.
Oh, I was just going to go back to grab some. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. As in, like, the general layout.
I like it.
I think it's good balance. And logo's big enough. Don't dead open. I really thought about that for a moment. There's quite a lot of little memes and Easter eggs if you look hard enough, if you
Yeah.
know where to look.
We had plans for way more, but
There is a Walking Dead one in there. If you spot it, you know, let us know.
there is 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 6
Yeah.
zombie media references in the game.
Yeah.
That we managed to squeeze in there.
He got it.
Cowboy hat, that's right.
That's right.
That's right. There's some more in there. Yeah, capsule.
think that's fine.
Yeah.
When I add the green, like the green is just so like in your face that it, even if the logo is not massive, like the logo, like the
Yeah.
word, the name is gonna be more than attention grabby enough. So
So like if we put back on dev focus, nah, it will be bigger than that. Can you like zoom out, like real size, kind of? Just zoom out a little bit.
you tell me.
Bit more.
More?
More. More. Oh.
Oh,
More.
more?
Yeah, it's gonna be smaller than that on the screen. Maybe about that. Probably smaller.
Yeah, and you'll have a big, massive neon green thing behind it, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Trust.
Maybe the zombies could be bigger.
Yeah, I don't want to make them bigger just yet because it means they'll get cropped.
Sure.
So
Sure.
but yeah. Ooh, a Lucille.
What is that? What is that from?
Oh,
I don't know that one.
Lucille.
Which one is that?
Negan's bat.
Oh, right.
Ooh.
Right.
Is it too is that too grim?
Yeah, it's not.
Is it too violent?
It's not.
Poor Glenn. Disrespectful to Glenn.
I think it's a little much for this one. We'll make a rated R version.
I did want to add like Daryl's like little vest jacket
Vest with the
thing,
wings or
like
whatever.
full, like kind of like
What is it doing that?
draped over a box or something. Doing what? Oh, because I'm touching it and I have
Oh.
an airbrush. Yeah. If only there was more time, I would draw so many more things. She can be opening up.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Right. Oh, we still got errors. Great. Why is it complaining about that? I don't know what that means. Like, it's fine. Why are you complaining?
Like it's
I don't know what you want from me, Godot. It's literally fine.
Godot giving you a hard time.
Oh no, this one looks broken. Why is there two? This got reset.
Why did that get reset?
Fun.
That seems to happen so often, right? Like everything's fine, everything's working, and then suddenly like the game says, "Nope, we're just gonna break."
Well, yeah, I renamed some stuff and maybe I shouldn't have. I don't know.
Yeah, what like the smallest little thing you do has like a domino effect
Yeah.
on things, and then it all unravels.
Evil Hollow, that's me right now trying to work out why the game crashes when things should be disabled. Yeah.
Yeah. It's pain, isn't it?
I mean, I think I'm okay, but I definitely broke some things. Definitely.
You got this.
This one might have to come out a little bit. So, cool. Right, so we were on the human. So the extract situation needs to go. So extract is no longer going to queue free. Everything else is fine.
This is fine.
Then we're going to set. We're going to do something like extract target. Which is an area 2D. Breaking things in game dev? Yeah. Literally never seen that happen. So weird. It's not like that's like 95% of the hobby, is it? There. So here we can pass in, or we can define that right here. So area is actually, you can go var area equals area as extraction area. And then we go extract target equals area. What did I call it? Despawn area. And then we extract. And then we're going to set state to states.extract. And then when we do that, when we set them to extract, we're going to remove from zombie group. They can no longer be hurt. We also want to entirely disable their collision. Do we need to do that? No, that's probably overkill. I probably just never had bugs. Yeah, same. Coats. Oh wait, I'm streaming it. You've seen them all. If banging your head against it for a while doesn't work, there's Thor Discord to ask for help. And true. True. That's the beauty of the indie dev community.
Yeah.
There's so many people just willing to take the time to help someone. Okay. I think that's fine. And then also on here, we have to do extract. Extraction detector. What? Why the heck did I do that? That's freaking weird.
I mean, Is it gonna ruin everything if you change that?
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it.
Sounds a bit risky.
The Kumo, hey.
Hey there.
Thanks
How
for
you
stopping
doing?
by. Hope you're doing well. I mean, let's just do if area is extraction area, you're going to do that. Else. Die.
Q free.
So this lives on extraction. And I want another one.
Another one.
Let's call it extraction despawn. Wait, I don't need to do that. I can just put it on extraction also.
Hey there.
Hello.
How's it going?
Kind of workaround. Huge. It's not the best. Oh,
It's still a workaround.
this whole thing we're working on over here is built on workarounds.
Yeah, we're good. We're just, cracking on,
Yep.
they say. Racing to the finish.
Yes, Migo. We've been doing some stuff. I don't know if you
Some stuff and things.
weren't here earlier. We have. Oh, for one, we have a health indicator. I think it was you that asked for it yesterday. Boom. Comes up when you get hit or healed.
Yeah, there's
And-
the one new zombo.
New zombos, yeah. Little nerd zombo. And a very exciting one. We got don't worry about that. It's fine, I swear. Or it will be. We have an item screen. Yeah. Pretty neat. It's pretty neat. And why didn't the nerds get rescued? We're in the middle of adding a little
Little magic.
rescue animation situation. Last day, right? Well, yeah. So tomorrow is the final submission day, but we still have the whole of tomorrow. Ideally, we get a pretty final build today, so that tomorrow we can just spend testing, maybe adjusting balancing a little bit, fixing any bugs that come up. But yeah, technically we still have tomorrow that we can spend doing stuff. But yeah, ideally we want to be touching up the itch page, touching up the game design document that you have to submit as well. Yeah. Making some GIFs, some screenshots. Yeah.
All the beauty shots and the like.
Yup.
We gotta get people to be interested enough in a sea of other games to want to give it a try. So we're just trying.
Yeah,
to
presentation goes a long way,
Yeah.
just for someone to realize that you spend some time and care into your submission, right? Not to say that people that don't have the time to spruce up their itch page. Nothing against them. But yeah, we wanted to make it a little special. I see some new people. Yeah, there's some. We got a busy chat today. I love it.
Yeah. Always more fun.
It's definitely been very motivational to kind of share the journey with you guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Kind of keeps your brain going. So thank you very much for that, for keeping us company in this crazy game jam time. We're going to crash so hard this weekend. My God, I'm going to sleep all day.
We gotta try the games.
We got to try the games, yeah. I also want to play some Pal World. I want to play some Odd Sparks. I have some other stuff I want to play because I haven't played anything for like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. Oh my God.
Oh, I love that.
That is an entrance.
Little shiny
Damn.
butt. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, Pal World's like just blown up, but we've not been able to even like think about trying it out yet.
Been making games so hard, we forgot to play them.
It's like the thing, right? Because if we start playing games, we'll just completely forget about making games. So I feel like the jam, very much no gaming until we're done.
Yeah. Okay, so if
Nice. Yeah, me too. Pal World is all over TikTok now.
If I think we want to change this to be rotate to target. And then that will take a target, which is just a node 2D. It can be anything, really.
You know, one of the sort of funny memes around Pal World that I saw was about Digimon and how like they could have done that because they're literally like Pokemon with guns. Like have you seen some of the Digimon? They literally
there's like mechs.
Yeah, like they could have done so much with that, but
people trick shotting Pokemon. You know what's gonna happen? I don't know why this just popped into my head because you call them Pokemons. Someone's gonna mod Pokemon
they already
into.
Have. Someone's modded
Really?
it to with all the Pokemon.
Oh, they're getting
stuff.
sued.
Yeah.
And no way they're getting sued. Nintendo is not gonna let that happen.
Yeah, I saw the mod yesterday that someone.
Oh boy.
It only took them like a couple days just to mod it with actual Pokemon, even Ash and everything.
So state can also be states dot extract, and then it's player. No, it's extract target if state is extract target, else player. The problem. What? Values of the ternary conditional are not mutually compatible.
That sounds complicated.
But yeah, like because of that? They did the main character looking like Ash and everything. Oh.
Yeah, it's so shady. The mod.
Why is this being poopy?
Whoopee.
Not mutually compatible. Because they're different types themselves. Okay, let's do if state is extract. Then just do that. Who needs ternaries? Whatever, man. Whatever, man. If else is where it's at.
I know nothing about programming, but it sounds like these if else statements are just like the lazy way of doing something.
The world is built on if else statements.
Yeah. But is that true? Is that like the stereotype, or am I just...
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's basically the designers. I'll just clipping mask. I'll just add a bajillion clipping masks and it'll be fine. And then your file crashes because you're clipping like 10 pixels of like a massive like 4K image, like
you got like
10 times.
100 4K images and you're using a smidge of it.
Yeah.
If tired, sleep. If hungry, eat. Yep.
Yeah, else go.
I had not thought to write ternaries that way. Yeah, I guess when you do ternaries, you need to make sure they're the same exact type of variable. The one I had was area 2D and the other one was player. That's why I was complaining. Makes sense, although it doesn't. It makes sense that the warning is there, and it is a warning. It wasn't an error, but I'll listen to the warning. If out of syringes, FF gonna yeah. On that topic, I think syringes are a little abundant right now. I did a run and I had like 10 syringes.
Oh yeah.
I agree. I meant that I only use condition. Oh, yeah. So that one, yeah. That's what I tried at first as well, but Godot doesn't let you do that, right? It complains and tells you to do the if else. I much prefer the one you just put in there. Well, that didn't work. Why? So they collide with an area, which is the extraction area.
What?
Yeah, that's what we were talking about, Fubar. I was saying that I prefer the question mark colon differentiation instead of using if else. That's all. Just because I think it's more readable. Like, you know exactly what's happening. Yeah. But yeah, they do the trick. They do the trick.
It do be doing this right.
So like we did the thing, right? Print extract. Are they not doing that? time is it? 9? Okay. We're good.
We're fine. It's only 9.
We're fine.
What do you mean? We went to bed at like 2 in the morning yesterday. It's fine.
Okay. That human did a thing. But why did they... Oh, of course.
But of course.
I am being dinged. I still don't know how they got out of that. How did they get out of... How did they get out of the state? That's illegal. I have nothing telling them... Telling them to get out of the extract state, so... What the heck? Some people don't want to be rescued? Yeah, it's like, you know... A nice, blissful, ignorant life. Being a zombie. I get it. It's like being a cat.
She's bathing.
Did I compare a zombie to a cat? I meant like the carefree nature of it. That's all.
She's bathing on my hoodie that she has claimed for herself.
We need to disable collisions. Yeah, I think we want to do that. Which you want to do on the collision shape. So let's just grab that. And then we're just gonna disable it and it should be all right. Let's try that. Zombies are cats. Yep, that's what I said.
Maka zombie cosplay. Unfortunately, I don't think Maka tolerates outfits. She doesn't even tolerate a collar.
Let's see how that goes. So you're gonna go in. Sir?
She just yanks the collars off.
Can't change this state while flushing.
Flushing? It does look like she's being flushed down the toilet. It's on a radioactive toilet.
What? What?
Sorry,
What is happening?
I'm not helpful, am I?
Who's being flushed?
I thought that's what you said.
There was flushing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I just said that the little portal kind of looked like she was was being flushed.
Oh. I thought you were still talking about Maka. I was like, why are you flushing Maka? What?
How many poop really? Oh.
Maka will murder me in my sleep. Does that make her even more like a zombie though?
Maka would never. Oh, she's doublooning.
Oh! Hey!
Oh, it worked!
They did the thing and stuff.
It did the thing!
Nice.
Congratulations. You did it.
So... Didn't see it? Hold up. I'm gonna make it better. So...
How can you make it better?
Let's do... Add another state. extract start. So jank. We're jamming. Then we're gonna change this to extract start. Another state. What is this? The US. Good one. Good one. All the states. So when they extract, they're gonna go to extract start, and that will also nope. We're gonna play. What's the animation when they in?
Like the running?
They do like a little jump, spawn.
Oh yeah, they call like a wee.
Spawn. Let's play spawn. And if state is states dot extract start, we're going to set state to states dot extract. Else we're gonna do the other thing. We're just gonna hijack this. Never happy face. Nope. They're scarred for. They were zombies. Ain't no smiling after that.
You know what's funny? The first human that I drew, the girl, I'm calling her Susan. I made her like so happy. She was so pleased to be rescued and saved. And he's like, she can't be smiling. So I had to make her scared. I was like, oh, look how terrified she looked. So disheveled. Couldn't even make her like her hairbrush.
They had a chance at happiness, and I tore it apart. I'm sorry. Okay, Smeagol, you ready? You watching? It's gonna happen. Yep. What the hell was that?
Here's where you flash
One
up
sec,
the
one sec.
You tried. You
Hold.
tried.
Hold. Hold.
Hold.
Okay.
Okay, now it's gonna work for sure.
So they're gonna run. I think we should also
Look.
give them a little boost. So let's do target speed if state is extract. We're going to target speed times, I don't know, 5. All right. Now for sure. Gonna cure a little buddy here. Sir? You're supposed to be free? What is happening?
He's staying true to character and wanting to fight the apocalypse? Question mark.
Maybe. I have some code somewhere that
It worked earlier, right? I saw it.
it makes them follow the player again.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, you got it.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Easier to recognize when he's human, right?
Yeah. Yeah, because you can't see the little name tag thing when he's a zombie.
Yeah.
Let's go look for set state.
It does need a blood stain, and I thought about that, but you know, we're trying to keep it like super PG, right?
Yeah.
No blood.
No blood. We go into this in our GDD, which is, you know, we don't have a big audience, right? So usually a lot of our enjoyment comes from friends and family playing our games, and that includes my little nephews, right? And I want them to be able to enjoy it without me having to worry about scarring anyone. Also, we kind of, I think Celine is really good at this, like, very cutesy art styles. I mean, I'm sure she could do more mature ones, but I think she nails it every time with the cutesy stuff. So if we're kind of conveying that to our audience, I wouldn't want them to follow us and then the next post they see is like a detached head, you know. One day they will see that, but this is not that day.
I don't think I've ever drawn anything like super violent.
Yeah.
Ren and Stimpy style. Dude, like Ren and Stimpy like traumatized, like scarred me for life when I was a kid. Did you ever get to watch that?
I don't think so.
Actually traumatizing for like a 7-year-old. Definitely not appropriate.
So what happened? Why does the nerd decide to not get rescued? Let's try and find out.
It was funny. It's really good, but yeah, definitely not for children.
So here we go, and then what? He extracted, and then he went to number 5. Right? So we did yeah, he rallied. Then he went to 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then back to rally.
How's all this stuff getting changed?
Where do we set rally? It shouldn't be hitting this. Because they play the spawn animation, then they do the extract, So then it starts playing the run animation. So how the heck are they getting back to rally?
Oh, sounds like you did a thing.
An if statement in a match statement. Hell yeah. Why you be like that?
I don't know what this is, but just sounds like a little sloppy.
Oh yeah.
Mark.
Lots of slop.
Stream vacation after jam. Yeah, I mean, we've been streaming now every day since Saturday. Yeah, we need some time to play some games, but I think we do definitely want to keep streaming, just not so intensely. But
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you'll get to see the cute cat cafe game.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we probably gonna do like Saturdays or something.
Yeah, like streaming during the week has been, a lot with the full-time jobs, so definitely probably gonna stick to weekends. But yeah, we'll be around.
Yeah, weird. So if I did this, would it stop the issue?
So cats. I mean, I've seen several videos of cats like playing on iPads. So, when this is out on mobile, maybe we can train Maka to tap on the on the iPad.
It worked, but I don't know why. So
I feel like that's just as bad as if it didn't work. It would, right? Yeah, we gotta write that down. Have Maka play the Cat Cafe game.
We can do like a, like keyboard cat style video.
Oh yeah, I can grab her little.
Just do like a little puppeteering. Stealing my yeets. What the heck is that?
That looked illegal.
Oh man.
I think, did you just like break the whole thing?
No.
Like, as in like the safe. Did you break the safe zone? She went in.
Oh crap, I'm out of syringes.
Get good.
What a start. Yeet personal shield. That was a win right there. That was a god run. Oh, is he cheating? So there was some moonwalking.
Yeah.
No moonwalking. No moonwalking. I don't know how the moonwalking happened.
Have you remembered what you wanted me to draw yet?
No. A tank?
No! No tanks!
But my tank! I want my tank! I like that the safe zone's front door is always open. Yeah. Oh, there it is.
Pigman skin.
That happened when
What did you do?
I think. Okay, I think the problem is when they spawn. When they spawn in the extraction zone. I think that's the issue right now. So I think I can replicate it. Refugee for Eggman skin. Crossover. If I lure them in here. And then boop. Oh, I guess not. I lied. God damn it. I thought I had it.
So basically, what you're saying is, you still don't know why it just started working again.
It hasn't started working again. I just don't know when it happened, so I can't replicate it. The issue. The extraction is working. Ish.
So what?
Why didn't they get the speed there? Oh my god. I have. Oh, the spaghetti. The spaghetti.
This is where all those if statements come back to bite you.
Okay. We're gonna. We're gonna make a new animation. And we're gonna call it extract. And then that's the one that's gonna do that. So let's just eliminate this mess right here. So we're gonna go to the human body. And then we're gonna take the spawn and we're gonna duplicate and we're gonna call it extract.
Yeah, just reading that just sounds like a problem waiting.
Yeah, right now they're not united. Wait, they did the thing. Oh, because I haven't changed things. Extract. Doing weird shit one day before we have to deliver the thing.
He's got a fighting spirit. You know? He's like, I want to go with you. I want to save everyone.
I feel like they're not getting their speed boost every time. Am I imagining that? See? She's moving slow. They're all moving slow.
Are they supposed to get a speed boost?
And if I go here, and then they go in from... No. No. I don't know. I ran out of syringes again. So I think it's because... Yeah, our speed stuff is poopy.
Like the way that you set all the speed values and modifiers, or? Are we gonna work on it again tomorrow?
I don't know. I think we'll still stream, and we're gonna be testing it. I think I'm gonna be fiddling around with balancing. Hopefully there's no bugs, but yeah. And then we're gonna hit the submit and just play it, I guess.
Yeah.
And chill. Speed. If match, we're gonna do another match. Oh my god. State. No.
No. He's changed his mind, everyone.
We're gonna do speed equals oh, that's why I'm doing that. Okay, I did have a reason. Got it. Understood.
Slippery slope.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's just make sure. Basically, what's happening is if they're in their rally state when they hit the extraction zone, they run faster. And if they're in their normal follow state, they run slower, but it's like, whatever. Who cares? Should I award the rescue? Fuck, they did the thing. Fuck.
It's always that one guy. Did you change anything for him?
No.
It's just
I think he's just
coincidence?
unlucky. Okay, found it. Found it. Found it. Found
Got
it. I found it.
He's zeroing in. And writing another if statement.
We're gonna be switching chairs here soon.
Oh god! I'd like to see you draw a hand
We'll see.
with 5 fingers.
Challenge accepted. I've forgotten what the.
Oh
If-
no, I'm sorry.
Oh god.
Oh no! You just spotted
No.
it.
If state is still rally, then you can move on. Boom. Fixed. That was it. 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 So when they go into their rally state, that's like their immune state. As soon as they get cured, they go into that immune state, which we call rally. And then it was starting up a timer to put them into their normal non-immune state. But yeah, if they hit the extraction zone, it was putting them in the extraction state, but it wasn't stopping that timer. So they ended up going back to their follow state and being like, oh, no, we'll stay out here. But we're fine. I spotted it.
Fixed. It's done. I need to see Sean go in.
There we go.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
So the question was, should I award the rescue here? Like when they touch it, or when they go into the thing?
I think once they cross the blue, right? As soon as they're like
Give it like
within
instant
the blue.
feedback. Right now, it's happening when they touch it. Which is also when they do the little jump.
Yeah. I think that's fine. I think it should be when they touch the circle.
They can be reclaimed before entering.
Like re-infected.
That shouldn't be the case. I think they were still outside. Let's see if we can test that. How do I test that?
Oh, that is very hard. You gotta get like a horde, and you gotta like have them already be.
I need to like bring the zombies over here.
Yeah.
And then, oh, it touched it.
Oops.
I feel like this sprite is a little small.
Small.
Oh, it definitely. What happened there? Must have gotten reset again when I was fiddling around with it. Yeah, I'm counting them. I'm counting them when they touch the circle. What was that? Why did it jab up? Oh my god.
How did that break? That has been working fine for days now.
Yeah, as soon as they touch the thing, they stop being zombie fid, and I turn off their hurt box. So that's all good. And then if they get cured in the zone, all good. All good. All good. Yeah, I think we're good.
Right?
So there's one more improvement. What is this luck? I was getting in comments.
He's totally hacking. He's hacking his own game, and that's why everything's messed up.
Hacking. Oh, wait, I do have to test something. On the topic of hacking, let me turn on the hacks.
No, he's gonna turn on the hacks.
So we need to test. Annoyingly, I think I made those areas. Just give it to me. Don't make me go try and figure out if I did this or not. There it is. Chet key. Konami code. Do they have like a universal cheat code? What the?
Oh my!
What the hell?
Oh my god! He's just destroyed everything. Look at that.
Wait.
That never happened before.
Wait. One. No. What am I looking for? Bless you. 1, 2.
You only have 2. Oh my god, he made a boo-boo.
We're increasing it by 30%?
Well, unless like
that?
first you're increasing it by 15%, and then you're increasing that.
No. It works off of the base. Yeah. But that's. Or it should. That's how I. Okay. Nice. Shed works. What about the bunker? Time for some I'm gonna take all of the bless you now. Bunker
oh my
key.
God, it's gonna crash the game.
Watch this, watch this, watch this. Boom! But why is this one small? God, it's a disaster. Okay.
Chaos on the day before submission.
Look, that one's fine. What?
I think it's just when you do the initial injection, the injected zomb is insane.
Global spread, bug not a feature.
Yeah, global. I don't know, like, to me that sounds OP, you know?
Okay, all the extraction zones seem to be working. That's good. Wait, why isn't it doing it anymore? Oh no.
It's inconsistent. That's the worst.
Items looking pretty good.
But the extraction zones
We
work.
need 5,298 rescues for the next level.
Holy wait. Is that right?
No, it's because I was cheating levels.
Oh
Then.
god.
Why are they fine now? Yoy, yoy. I think that was an anomaly and will never be seen again by anyone in the world.
I don't know.
It was you guys know of that the solar flare messing up the transistor thing? That's what happened. Yep. Even though it's nighttime. But
Sure.
I'm sure the energy goes through cosmic ray bit flip. Yeah, that goes through the earth, right? It could have hit me from here. that charge thing is so jank. I love it.
It's charming.
Wait, why did it get bigger?
Oh god, the spread's all sorts of fucked up.
Did it get bigger without me touching it? And what's happening there?
You were blocking them.
Since when does that happen?
Oh my god. How's everything broken?
No, but I'm what? They don't collide. Humans don't collide with the player, do they? Wild. Absolutely wild.
Happens.
It didn't happen before. Why is everything breaking? Help! Help!
Maybe you need to go back to a version where it wasn't broken
Look!
and
What?
re-implement the changes later. It's unraveling.
Maybe the player? Does the player care about humans? No? No. No. No time for that one.
Is that a better way?
Funnily enough, I have that in the Cat Cafe game. But I was like, this is just gonna be a simple little jam game. Uh-oh. Time machine. Well, we do have a time machine. It's right here. So we could go back in time. But yeah. Yeah. Much spaghetto.
What to do, what to do.
I think it was totally because I was cheating and it's never going to happen again.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It happened.
Yeah, I know. Oops.
The humans don't collide. Steins Gate. I still haven't watched that, yeah.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Why did the other guy went through? Why did one of them go through?
Yeah, that's weird that they're getting blocked by the player.
It is a disaster. Do 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 do.
Ghosted.
I'm even full on disabling their collision shape. I'm not even like changing the layers. I am disabling it. So how the heck? It means it's not collision based.
Could it be because could it be the transition between their sort of running animation and the new extraction animation that you created, that there's like a weird pause that's happening?
It doesn't seem to be like a pause though. They are
They get
stuck on the player,
They're
right?
they're
And
getting
then
stuck.
they only moves after I go. Pause the game, check remote. Okay, let's do that. You can see that the collision's disabled, but for some reason it didn't get stuck this time. Try and get them stuck. Like this, and go. Human. States. Not gonna be able to see their state, am I? But their collision is disabled. Captain Coder.
Can he help you?
Hello, hello, hello. Can he help you?
He needs
Help.
some help.
Yeah, the collision shape is disabled. Happy Thursday. Thank you very much. Happy Thursday. We're almost at the end of the week, finally. I mean, even though I'd happily take 3 more days of work if it meant having more time for the game.
Yeah.
Thursday.
Thursday. Nice. Good one.
Their collisions are disabled, but they're being nerds. The last 48 hours is when 90% of the time is spent on a game jam game. Yeah. Well, until about an hour ago, everything was fine, and I started changing some stuff, and now everything's broken. So, fun times.
I mean, you know, if it's all messed up, we can always just roll it back, and it was fine. You know, it wasn't perfect, but it was fine an hour ago.
I have this one piece of code that sits here. So I wonder, let's just for the sake of testing,
Testing.
we're gonna not care about any of that. Spreading. Got a little train going. Let's see. They get stuck now. Yep. Queue free the collision node. Yum.
I wish I could help you. I wish I understood.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
So that would entail going here and doing that. Collision shape you free. My God.
That's so hard.
Yo, pokey poke. Okay. Collisions. Nope, it's not collision related. Yeah, I mean, it can't be. Very interesting. Very interesting. And we commented that out, and that didn't do nothing. Why is the collision still being displayed? They have like 3 billion areas. So there's like a heart box, a extraction thing, collision. There's 3 monitors. There's 5 consoles. Where's the collision? The collision is this one.
Oh,
So, oh wait, I need to redo that. So if I set those as non-visible, will that work? Maybe. XQCL, someone got it. There we go. You saw it, it disappeared. Okay, how do you set the rescue target? But the rescue target is set. Like they're running towards the right thing, right?
But I feel like it all came crashing down when you did that.
No, it didn't. It didn't come crashing down. It was before they just poofed.
Yeah, sure. But I mean, like when you went from just poof to extraction, that's when everything else broke. So whenever whatever you
What
did,
is everything else?
well, all the other little weirdness started happening when you did that as well.
I think it was me leveling up 3,000 times.
Yeah.
The
I feel
other
like
stuff.
That's also probably
Like
it.
you're referring to the insane area, the global spread.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah. When do you set it? So. Blip, blip, blip.
Blip blip.
So when the human collides with the extraction area, we set the target. And then we put the states in motion. What is this? The hell is that? What the hell is that?
God, what is that?
What? What the? Is this needed?
Oh no.
I think this is just leftover code. I think that's straight up old code. Not that it will do anything. Look, my spaghetti worked just fine until today. Yeah, but look at that, look at that, look at that. So right now the humans are walking really fast. Or yeah, if I do that, you see how they kind of just get stuck on the player. But that's because they're going towards the player. That makes sense to me. And they stop.
Again, could it be because of the area of the thing? Like they're that's what it's doing there. Like they haven't actually reached the extraction point. Something like because they're getting stuck on you.
But they do the little animation. They do the little jumpy jump. Yeah. Yeah.
Yay, yay.
Yeah.
Problem. You're being asked to pause the code. Check the remote. Pause it.
Wait, I
Check
need
the
to.
target.
I need new humans first. Ow.
Check it. Human.
Track target is the despawn area. This music is getting to me here.
How do you track the target?
Yeah. Yeah, if they're in the extract mode, they move towards it, which I'm pretty confident in. But it definitely wasn't this, so we can bring that back. It's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know. Oh, found it.
Found it?
Literally says, don't move.
Shut up.
So the reason why I have this is... We got there. Just gotta... take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
So if I go here and I stop, you see they get to the player and they just they stop moving. They're still playing the running animation, but they stop moving. They start changing their position. If
Is it time for another if statement?
may very well be, yes. If I do this, well, I've changed so many things. This was almost there from the beginning. Let's see if it still happens. It will kind of give the humans this like jittery behavior. You see? Ah! Ah!
I kind of like it though. It's pretty funny.
Right. So that's what that's there for. Calling it like the distance cutoff, where like if they're close enough to the player, stop trying to get to the player. It's like, you did it. You did it, dude. Chill. So we can just say if distance cutoff. Here, I'm not going to add an if statement.
Oh,
I'm going to add an and to the if condition. And state not rescued. So I think this is only used there. So no need to calculate the distance if we're in that state. So I am adding an if statement.
Oh gosh.
If state is different to states dot extract. Woo!
Whew.
We got there. 10 p.m. TikTok. TikTok.
Tick tick tock.
So, okay. Whee!
He did it.
The spaghetti has been, well, expanded, but it worked.
He's added to this bucket.
Should we count the if statements? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't count.
That doesn't count.
6, 7. 7. All it takes to reach your dreams is about 7 if statements, ladies and gentlemen. I think it was Gandhi that said that. All right. Cool.
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 Thor at Game Jammer. Don't be late. Late submissions will not be accepted. Make sure to test your game before submission. Yeah, we're gonna need to do that. He was asleep.
Where's Maka? Oh, Maka, did you have a nightmare?
Last minute code edits are the death of projects. Yeah. Well, that's that resonates, huh? Thanks, Thor. That sure resonates. Okay. Well, good news is we're almost done. Last thing we got to do is we're going to go over to what we call a pop-up.
Pop-up.
And then we're going to make a rescued pop-up. I guess we don't need to use a sprite for that one. Let's do rescued. And then let's open the cured pop-up.
Cured.
Oh yeah, we use that. Maybe I do that. Give it a little shine.
Oh, yeah. That was one other thing that we wanted to like add a draw a cool effect for, but yeah, just have the time for it.
Yeah. Do we... Did rescue be yellow? That's an ugly yellow.
That's a horrible yellow.
Like that. And then we give it a shine. Sprites.
Hey, cat. Bye, cat. Oh. There she is.
And then we're gonna go over to the level.
Wait, I got you.
Do rescued pop-up. Then we're going to listen for human extracted. We're going to connect to on human extracted.
Oh, it's fine.
What was that?
Nothing.
What was that? What is
Just
that?
just the you know the thing where all the chargers go. I may have kicked it.
And that.
I'm just trying to accommodate the cat.
Is the
He wants cuddles.
human extracted? Ah, crap. I don't know where that is located.
Oh, big purrs. Big purring. We should get Maka her own mic too, so get little purrs and meows.
Let's get ourselves a position of the event. And then the level we can I just realized I'm now mixing extracted with rescued. We're jamming, baby.
We're jamming.
So I have the position. Then I just have to make sure that the human, when they call extract human, they pass in their global position. A few arguments for extract human. 234. 234. All right. Because the teleport to safety is also a thing. That just like extracts beepos.
The peepos.
All right. Let's see. Let's see. That didn't do nothing. Why is that? We're giving it the global position. That's risky. I don't think I want to do that.
Yeah.
Then we're emitting with the position. And then on the level, we're capturing that. Maybe it was just... Did that again. It jabbed up when the zombie was down.
Is that like only this?
Oh.
Like, can you replicate that, or does it just seem to happen randomly?
I think it's like if they're at the edge of the range.
Right.
Game manager, extract human, error. Expected 0 argument. Did I do something very dumb? Uh, what? What do you mean? Wait, did you fix it? I wasn't here. Which one you're talking? Are you using look at to rotate the node? I don't think so. I'm doing subtracting vectors or something to get the direction. Yeah, could be that my code is just down there. What fix are you referring to, Smeagol?
I think
The extraction situation?
probably the extraction situation.
Or the getting stuck on the player? Yeah, we found that. Yeah. That's really weird. Game manager, error calling signal. Human extracted. Takes in 3 arguments. Method expected 0. Or is it here that I'm messing that up? It wants one more, doesn't it? Yeah. Woo!
Smelling too nice.
There you go.
He was Dr. J Pheromone instead of ferret.
So that works. We got a little rescued pop. Okay. Sweet.
Nice.
And that's rescue animation done. And I think we still want to add like sound juice and such. But we'll get to that. I think that's plenty good.
I think, like Thor just said, we
Yeah.
just want it to work.
Yeah.
At this point, we just want it to work and not break. We do need to swap that out, though.
Yeah, we have to change out that sound effect. Currently, it's the only sound effect that we didn't make ourselves. That's pretty cool.
Mars attack.
It's pretty cool that they just don't just disappear. I like that. Now they're, look at that. They're all running into the
Not
thing.
from Mars Attack. It's from that meme. Oh wait, is the meme from Mars Attack? I don't know the history of the meme.
I don't know. Did the scientist give me the syringe there? I mean, they had to. Had to.
Did you edit the sound at all? Like, did you add like a?
I added like a faster cutout to the echo. That was
Right.
really, really long, but that was it.
Maybe it is from the movie. I don't know where memes.
Yeah,
come
I
from.
just know it as the funny sound, the funny haha sound.
Funny awesome.
Wait, I need to... Okay, that's fine. We're... Oh. Open Steam. We're good. We did the thing. Oi. Added rescue animation. No more humans getting snapped.
Getting snapped.
I'm gonna cross it off.
Hooray! Oh, my cuckoo stretches her legs.
Okay. And now I just want to test one little thing, which is if I add an enemy.
Anemone?
An enemy.
Anemone?
And it's a scientist. And then cure her in the thing. Do I get a syringe? Yes. Perfecto.
Huge!
Okay. Cool.
How's the list?
10:30 p.m.
Holy crap.
We have a big to-dos list. We crossed off everything that didn't have like a tentative maybe. So that's great. That's a success right there. We did the ones that I really, really wanted to do.
Address.
An enemy.
Like, are you comfortable like that?
So on our question marks, we have smarter humans. And that means making it so that humans, when they're close enough to the player, they prioritize running from zombies instead. Sounds like a perfect opportunity for more if statements.
I was just gonna say, is that game breaking? Is that potentially great game breaking?
If anyone in chat that played the game, did you feel like the humans needed a little boost, or were you fine? Were you fine with them getting caught? Like it didn't feel that bad, or did it like feel annoying? Because if it felt annoying, then I really want to fix it. It usually happens where, say you're running to the right from the zombies, and then you want to just go left to jab the zomb, and then go right again. But then the humans just like stand there and watch you do it, and just ignore the zombies, and I'll get turned. That happens sometimes.
That's why you gotta give him dodge.
True. They can't keep up. They deserve to be nabbed. Yeah. It felt like it was just part of the gameplay. Yeah, that's fair. You just have to like learn to
maneuver them.
To maneuver it.
To hurt them.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. I agree with that.
All right, let's leave the question mark on that one then. Then up next, we have buff zombies question mark. Use all the upgrades. So right now we have 5 zombie upgrades, and we use 3 of them, I want to say.
Was that what you wanted me to draw? The rest of the zombie updates? Or did I draw those in already?
The cards.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like,
Yeah, we
are
have
there
all of
cards
them.
that I drew that you haven't implemented?
No. Oh, like in the main... No, I haven't added more cards.
Okay. Wondering.
So we do at 3 minutes, we upgrade zombs. At 6 minutes, and then at 12 minutes. So we do 3 upgrades, but we have access to 5. So playing it, I had the feeling that maybe the game was a tad easy. So
But you're a pro gamer.
But then right next to that one, right next to buffing the zombies, I have add uncommon pseudo randomness, which
Right, yes.
essentially means every time you don't get an uncommon card, your chance to get an uncommon card would increase by a little. That is just kind of a feel good mechanic, right? So you can't go too long by just getting screwed and not getting stuff. If you want to keep a game to around 5 minutes, then buff disease. Otherwise, fine as is. No, it would still be a ramp, right? So if I added more upgrades, it would be like maybe like at 12. We do 12 minutes now. Maybe I would add another one at 14 minutes, right? So that last minute, there's an extra upgrade, for example. So it's really like the last push is like, is your power level high enough? I wouldn't touch the early game, I don't think. Yeah. I like the pseudo randomness. Just because, like, I mean, it's a roguelike with random upgrades. You want randomness, but it sucks when you're really unlucky. That probably applies to the same thing. Like, if it ain't broke, right?
Yeah.
If you're unlucky, well, tough luck. Sorry. Try again. Maybe I don't want to mess with it.
I mean, something relatively harmless that you could do is add the cards to the end screen.
I like that.
You can't break the game at doing that, right?
True. Do it. End screen. We're going to add a scroll container and a grid container. Do Zed still teleport? Yes. If so, we toned that down a lot on normal circumstances, but if you reach the zombie cap, right? We kind of reached our hard like performance cap on zombie count, then it kind of kickstarts their teleport so that you get the illusion that there's more. So if they leave the screen for a little bit, we kind of recycle them, and it just makes it more hectic. I think it works pretty well.
I really like how that looks. I'm pretty proud of that.
It looks awesome.
Yeah.
Little doc folder.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do items container.
Right? The coffee stain looks pretty convincing.
Mm.
Very, very pleased with that. Yeah.
We're gonna get...
Oh my god, you're not comfy. I'm sorry.
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Final sprint. We got this. We got this. We got
You
this.
got this. I mean, I'm a cat pillow right now.
That's all right. Give me support. What? Oh, const var. Classic variable type. Const var. One day, 3 hours. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that timer's starting to get real scary, isn't it? It's fine, we got it.
A whole day? That's like 24
Right?
hours that I'm not going to be working on the game. Mostly.
Who needs sleep?
My boss wouldn't notice, right?
my
Do
god.
players get rated after a run time-wise? So right now our win con is a time check. We never change it to rescued people. So if you last 15 minutes, you did it. You did the thing. And the idea was to add stats. Not necessarily a rating, but stats. Which again, we didn't do. But that's easy to do. I can do that. I can do that. It's not on the list. Who cares?
Make a new list. Put it on the list. It's on the list.
So we're also gonna get our items container,
Goodbye.
which is a grid container.
I'm free. I have been freed.
God, mixing up Mac shortcuts and Windows shortcuts. So, first of all, let's see how this looks. Let's spawn in some cards. Oh, I need to do the columns. Do we do... I think we want to do 3 columns. But then, like, make them teeny weeny.
Can you move the folder a bit more?
I want to do that.
Yeah.
So you'd have something like this.
That's a lot of herd immunity.
They're a little tight. More. That'll do.
Yeah.
Okay. I'd say that works. So on ready, we're gonna set that up. Then we're gonna go add items. For item in game manager dot unlocked items. We're going to instantiate scene. We're going to set its item to be the item. We're also going to set simple mode. And then items container add child item card. And then we're gonna do a cheeky await get tree. Create timer 0.1 row timeout. So if I give myself cheats again.
There he goes. Giving himself hacks again.
Beep beep. Whew. Let's give ourselves some stuff. Beep bida boop boop beep bida boop beep bida boop.
Boop, beep.
I see things in the debugger. Right. So this is our item screen. And if we perish.
Did you memorize it just in case?
Nah, no. I trust that. I trust that. We didn't have enough to see the scroll. Sorry about the spam. Nice. And that shows in order of... Oh, that kind of gets cut off there. Okay, can fix that. Like first to last. Which is fine. Sorry, I'm gonna spam you again.
Pop, 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 pop.
Cool. I need some bubble wrap. we're gonna change that sound because we already used the pops for when you apply the cure and when they get cured and stuff is already in that pop. So we're gonna switch out the cards for like an actual like little card flipping situation. See how that feels.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice. See? Easy.
I mean, you can't just change things live, right? That'd be cool. Oh, you can. Been working this long with Godot, and I actually wasn't sure if that did the thing. Sure, that would have saved me hours. I just want to show a little bit of that, just to show if for some reason the player misses that there's a big old scroll bar. They see that there's something there. So they're curious.
Like, ooh, what is that?
Ah, all right.
You could try a death animation potentially, or like what was it that you said just before?
I think instead of the death animation,
You're gonna show
I'm
stats?
just gonna add the sound. I'm gonna do the thing.
The what?
I'm just gonna do like cheat a art sound. Because the problem is that you die and immediately the game pauses because you died.
Yes.
And then it doesn't play the hurt sound. So you're like, what? So if at least it does the
Yeah.
then I think it'll be all right.
Okay, I gotcha.
Thanks, Fubar. We actually already recorded it ourselves. I was that for the? I assume that was for the bard. Yeah. Yeah, we've done a little recording sesh. It's actually really fun. Found it really fun recording your own sound effect.
It's really funny listening back to it.
What did I call it?
How should I know? Oof, maybe?
Oof. Ouch. God damn it. Wait, what? Ugh.
Nice.
Ugh.
Ugh.
There it is. And then we're just gonna do if, when, else, audio.
A fart sound on dying? Like a fart, like a reverb.
We're not recording that one ourselves, I'll tell you that much. Nope. Nope.
That's funny.
How did I do the thing with the sound? I already forgot. Audio player play.
That sounds right.
So now, if you lost, you'll still hear the you know?
Yeah.
And I think that'll just fix the like, wait, what just happened?
Yeah.
Why did the game stop? But yeah, eventually we can do that. We can do that. End screen. End screen, items, and sound. If lose. Ugh. And we have to do God.
Oh God.
Does this variable ever get... I mean, I don't know why I'm tracking this. just added it.
But are you gonna add the stats at the end on the end screen?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
So how do we change this then? We change this back to left. And that goes like here. And the button is here. And maybe in the middle. That.
I mean, it depends on what's how many stats you're gonna add.
Just the one.
Just the one stat.
It'd be like rescued. And then the stat. What does that mean?
You wanna write like humans rescued, people rescued?
Want me to?
I'm asking if you think that that's. Are we using the word people? Because I feel like you've avoided
We're not
the
using
word.
the word human, people.
Yeah.
Nothing. I think it would just say like rescued X, infected X when we had more, right? And I think that's fine.
Sure. Bless you.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
What's up? Yeah, because you could potentially track like those that you rescued versus like those that you cured, and then like the ones that got cured and reinfected. So like the ones you double doomed.
The double doomed would be harder.
Yeah.
But we can definitely do cured and infected.
Yeah.
Those are all being handled already. It's just adding to the number.
What about time?
Yeah, I guess when you lose, you want to see how long you lasted.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Oh gosh. To break it.
No, I never realized it did that. Any variation on the pitch for the hurting? Nah. We do it for a lot of things, not the hurting. I don't think. Okay, so rescued 1. 1.
Huge.
Well
Well done.
I'm. Do the layout.
Can I have your notebook? I can do your layout.
Sure. I think we want time to be like separate. And then the rescued, infected. What is it? Rescued, cured, infected?
Sorry. So rescued. Infected. That's one option. Try those two. I would probably make the horde wins this time text a little bit bigger. The more I see it. The question ready to go again, like to the side.
Oh.
Maybe that doesn't look good, but you try it.
Yeah.
Just move it around. Yeah. Dr. J. Ferret reclaims the living.
Oh. This one here?
Ooh, instead of rescued, it could be reclaimed. Lives reclaimed. If you wanna put a like
Bro.
incorporate the game title into it.
Yeah. We have to change places though.
Oh, like not just for you can't just call it that on the flavor text.
You mean here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it won't be tied to like all the other things that say like rescued.
Right. Right.
So we have
right,
rescued
right,
and
right.
reclaimed.
Oh, I changed my mind. I don't want the button to go over my beautiful coffee stain. I worked so hard on that coffee stain.
Did you want to just revert that? And you said this should be a bit bigger.
That should
That,
be bigger.
is that good?
Wait, I need to wait. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I mean, the button could go outside of the folder. That is a point.
It could.
Very, very valid point. Oh, my cat.
like here. But that does, like, if I just save that. I mean, right now, that goes over the thing. It goes over. The HUD shows over the thing. Which, I didn't consider that. That already shows the timer. And, like, it's also cool to see the syringes that you had and stuff. So we already have the timer.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. So just center it, kind of how I did that second one. You can maybe move the folder up as well if you want to have the button outside. Although, I mean, I don't mind the button inside. Yes, it's odd because it's like a keyboard key on top of a folder. But, you know,
But, like,
not.
are we...
What you doing?
Where did this come? Did I do that? But do you want these, like, stacked, like, here?
Yeah.
Not, like, centered,
like
right?
centrally to the um like negative space, if that makes sense.
So, like, okay.
Just a little bit more to the right.
Let me add the box again. Bad boy. You mean like this?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. And then
Because that this sentence changes,
sure.
and then we'd have
You're gonna track infected though, right?
rescued, cured, infected. Like, we can make it smaller. They don't need that big.
I don't mind the size, but I think maybe the same size as like the horde bit of text. You don't want to have like tons of variation. And then I just move that whole block to align with the button. Like left align with the button.
So what's the order? Rescued should be last, right?
Yeah.
So cured first. Go cured. Infected. And rescued.
Yeah. Oh. My cat. Doing here. She purrs. Likes her head pats.
And then we can make rescued more on the yellow Rescued blue. Infected reddish. Reddish.
Like the Powerpuff Girls. The yellow just... Is it... Wait, is that meant to be yellow or green? It looks green for me.
Green. Am I colorblind?
That's very green.
It was on the green.
That was
It
so
was
green.
definitely on the green. There we go.
Oh.
And then...
Belly flop trap. Oh, she's so cute with her belly flop trap. Ow! I fell for her trap. Sorry.
Have cured, infected, rescued. Wait. Is the term infected a bit ambiguous? I guess in a way, because like you can also, the spread is also, are they getting reinfected?
Yeah, like I would say reinfected.
But like when it happens, the little thing that comes up above them says infected. That could say reinfected, I suppose.
I think reinfected just makes more sense.
Oh, God.
Don't change it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm sure it's fine.
If
it's a pain, it's fine.
We're gonna have to change it across everything.
Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry.
Including the cards.
Don't change it. It's okay.
I can't. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we can look at stuff like that.
There's not just you know.
Sorry, my brain.
You know how Illustrator and design all that, they have like a just find and replace word. You don't have that.
Not in editor stuff.
Yeah.
Sleepy? Yeah. Yeah, I'm crashing hard. Just trying to get this done before we call it a day.
Yeah, I think let's just get this working. Don't worry about the wording. And yeah, I think it's a pretty decent game jam game.
Humans cured. Humans infected. Okay. The button looking okay? This. Got that. And then if you win, you're sleepy too? Yeah, staying laid.
Yeah, Maka's laying in front of me with her belly up, which is clearly a trap.
See,
and
that's the problem.
So I'm just prodding her with a pencil. Because if I pet her with my hand, she's gonna destroy me. So I'm petting her with a pencil.
All right, let's give that a whirl. So we have to, let's keep track. We're going to cure. Wait, there's no quit button on windscreen. Quit? Like quit the game? Or you mean like restart? Restart the run.
Oh yeah, didn't you wanna like? What did you do in the end with that?
Okay, we cured one. Sorry, one sec. Cured two. Then let's infect 1. So cured 2. Okay, infected 2. Cured 2. God damn it. 2 and 2. Ryan. Okay. Cured 3. Cured 3. Cured 3, infected 2, rescued 1. Nice. All right. I'm going to call that.
It worked.
I'm going to call that good. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, did it do the thing? Did I start the game again?
You always say that.
I genuinely don't know how that happens. It's
Well,
like,
it's because you can only go again.
but did I click it?
You can't.
I don't remember
quit.
clicking it. Do I just click it without realizing? I feel like I just move on.
Again. Ha 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 ha. Again. Boop. I boop you. Boop. Boop.
Yeah, so end screen stats.
Boop.
Okay. So I'm gonna say that's it. That's it. Feature wise, that's it. Tomorrow we might like do some juice passes, check out sounds, check out animations maybe, and then we're just gonna test it. I'm gonna very quickly export the video game. So if tomorrow you guys, yeah, some balancing
Turn
for
off
sure.
the cheats.
For sure. I turned off the cheats. I need to re-enable the music. I'm gonna export. And if tomorrow, throughout the day, you guys feel like playing, feel free to.
Ow! You actually got my hand.
And you'll also be able to check out our new.
Forgot to turn off
Our new
debug. El debug.
Why did that re-enable? Like when you launch, it just auto-enables again. Annoying. Thank you. Is the default. Yeah, but you know, if I'm now doing stuff, chilling,
Just chilling.
and then go to it again, it stays off. But I guess when you restart Godot, it doesn't remember. Not like a project setting. Okay. In the browser. Save. Copy the link.
Ooh, you can add my splash screen.
Yeah. Wait, let me do that now. Or we show it off. Where is Itch? Itch banner.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by, you know? We really appreciate it.
Thanks so much for your feedback and your help. Always great having you.
Get some rest.
And thank you. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna go great, I'm sure.
It'll be fine.
Nothing will explode. Have a good night, buddy. I don't know why I put that there, but that's fine. Banner.
Banner.
Embed background. Embed background. I don't really know which setting I'm doing. Is it this? No. Is it this? Yes.
You got it.
So, yeah, here you go, you guys. Latest build, new and improved. Fancy little page on itch. Yeah, and I think it's time to settle down.
Everything over.
I think it's time to settle down. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll catch you tomorrow on submission day.
Yay, submission day! So exciting.
Bye.
And scary.